Okay, so if you're using any kind of hair growth serum or scalp treatment, listen up. You might be missing one tiny, crucial step that's literally costing you results. We're about to break down a super simple protocol that makes sure every single drop of that expensive product actually gets absorbed for maximum impact. Does this sound familiar? You've invested in a really good hair serum, you're using it every single day, but the results are just kind of blah. Well, the good news is the problem probably isn't the product itself. It's more likely a hidden barrier that's just getting in the way. I want you to think of it like an invisible shield sitting on top of your scalp, and it's actively blocking your treatments from ever doing their job. So, what is this barrier actually made of? Well, it's not some complex medical thing. It's actually just a combination of your scalp's own natural oils, sebum, mixed in with all the regular surface debris from the day. And together, they create this film that just coats your skin. And don't underestimate how much of this stuff there is. As trichologist William Gonitz points out, if you're not washing often enough, you can have a tremendous amount of debris on your scalp. So we're not talking about a minor issue here. This is a major roadblock for anything you're trying to put on it. All right, so how do we manage all this buildup? Well, it all starts with a pretty basic timeline for just general scalp health. And here's the thing, this layer of gunk doesn't just block your expensive serums. It can actually make existing scalp conditions even worse. So keeping your scalp clean isn't just about getting better results from a product, it's really about fundamental scalp health. So what's the magic number? Well, experts recommend washing your hair at least every 24 to 48 hours. That's kind of the baseline you need to prevent that tremendous amount of debris from building up and starting to cause problems. But here's the catch. Washing is only half the battle. The real secret, the thing that unlocks maximum absorption, it all comes down to timing. When you apply your serum is what separates so-so results from fantastic ones. It makes perfect sense when you think about it. With even a little bit of buildup, that oil and debris combo creates a barrier, and that seriously reduces how much product can even get through to your skin. But a freshly cleaned scalp, that's a clear pathway, an open road, allowing for maximum absorption. So here's how this actually plays out. The common mistake, and I think a lot of us do this, is you wash your hair in the morning and then apply your serum at night. In all those hours in between, that oily barrier has already started to come back. The expert method? You apply that serum immediately after you clean your scalp, while that pathway is completely open. So let's put this all together into a really simple, actionable protocol that you can literally start using today to unlock the best possible results from your treatments. We're calling this the perfect protocol. And it's so simple. It's just the practice of timing your product application for right after you wash. That's it. You clean your scalp, and then you immediately apply your serum. No waiting around. This gives your product the absolute best chance to work. Look, if you take away just one thing from this, let it be this. A clean scalp is the key. By simply washing immediately before you apply your topical product, you're clearing the path and you are fundamentally improving absorption. It's that simple. It's such a small change, but it can make a huge difference in the results you see and, frankly, the value you get from your products. So the real question is, how are you going to upgrade your routine tonight?